how to implement a custom UI color globally throughout your iOS project. For this demo, I'm going to use a single view application and I'm going to name it UIColor. It's a simple iPhone application. This works with all devices, universal. And I'm going to place it in my sample codes folder. And first thing we're going to do is create a Objective-C category file, or two files actually. So first thing you want to do once your project's opened up is hit Command N, which will load up the new file, to a template. So you're going to make it an Objective-C category, and I'm going to name it Custom Colors. And make sure the category is on UIColor. Next, and save it into the project. So save it into the project. And the first thing you want to do is when you want to open up the H file, and underneath the interface, we're going to define the colors that you want. So in a plus, a space, and a UI color, star, close parentheses, what your color is. I'm going to name it custom red. And then in the M file, your implementation file, if you see there's a warning that says custom red definition is you didn't define it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to define it. So plus, and then in parentheses UI color star, what you named the color, which was custom red, and then in curly bracket, you're going to return the color. So return, and the expression is the UI color. UI color, if you guys wanted to do an RGB color, you would do UI color with red, and I'm going to make up a random color right now. If I do 55, if I do the complete RGB, 55, let's say 25, and 5. Alpha 1. This code is valid, but will not work on your actual iOS device unless you do a /255 at the end of each of the RGB values. So there we have a custom color defined. You can do this for as many colors as you want. This is so much easier than for each custom color you have to do the RGB values for each and every single one. So basically, yeah, I'm gonna add 0.0 to the end of these. Okay, so you should have a custom color ready to go, and I'm gonna set this to the simulator so that 2 errors go away. It is the retina. Okay, and yeah, let's go to the main storyboard and look up a label, or set a label, and we're gonna define this label as an IB outlet. IB outlet, UI label, star color label. And in here, we're gonna define that right there, assign it to color label. And in your actual UI view controller, we're gonna do color label dot text color to change the color of the text. It's gonna equal the UI color we want, but the UI color isn't gonna show up unless you import the file that you created, UI color plus custom colors. So now, if I do UI color, custom red, shows up. Now, if you want your color to appear globally, and you don't want to have to go through importing this on every single file, you could go to your supporting files and your project and prefix.pch, and if you see the contents of this file are included in the beginning of every source file, just import the UI color here, and it'll be imported in the beginning of every source file. So if I go here, it's not implemented, UI custom red. And let's run it. Shouldn't have any errors, no issues, good. So the label that we put on our main storyboard should turn up as the custom RGB color that we set. Build succeeded. It's running on iOS simulator. There we go. Your custom red color. That's how you implement a custom UI color globally throughout your project.